Yawning is contagious. Chen works at a restaurant in the daytime. In the evening, he goes to an adult school. He is learning English at the adult school. This evening, Chen's class is reading a story. The story is interesting, and Chen wants to read it. But Chen is tired. He can't read. He yawns loudly. Ugh. Sophia is sitting next to Chen. She sees Chen yawn. She yawns too. Ali is sitting behind Chen. Ali hears Chen yawn. Ali yawns too. Chen is yawning because he is tired. But Sophia and Ali aren't tired. Why are they yawning? Sophia and Ali are yawning because yawning is contagious. When one person yawns, other people yawn too. Ugh. On this page, there is a photo of a woman. The woman is yawning. Look at the photo for 30 seconds. Do not yawn. Ready? Go.